Right, hey guys, so today is finally Glossybox Day. It feels like these are taking forever to arrive. It arrived yesterday and I've been trying so hard to keep away from all of the sneak peeks. It's been absolutely ridiculous. But this is the box. It is gorgeous. It's such a pretty box this time. Let's get it open. I've been dying to get into this box. It's been so frustrating. So we've got, what's this say? Okay, so I've got a coupon here for Glossier that I will, if I remember, put down in the description. Yes, for a fragrance, so I'll put that there. Oh, that's cute. What's it down there? Love crosses borders. Oh, that's cute on that ribbon. I'll pull the ribbon off now and you can have a proper look at it. That's cute. Normally it's just plain ribbon, from what I've noticed before. It's going to be backwards for you, I'm so sorry. But love crosses borders. I might have to do it on selfie mode because I'm crap. So I'm definitely keeping that ribbon, that's cute. And then we've got, oh okay, this which I will be looking through as I pick out items. And I'm just going to rip the paper a little bit so that you guys can have the first little look. Right, hopefully you can see stuff, I can't see it. So there is that. So, ooh, this looks nice. Right, so first thing I'm seeing is is this, which is the Star Skin Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Lip Mask. Always had a lip mask in the Birchbox, but it's always nice to have another. So this is a deluxe mini. So you probably get like a multi-pack of these normally. Deluxe mini is worth $4.25. The full size is $8.50 for this. And it says, marrying Swiss and Korean beauty, this plumping and hydrating lip mask is secret to soft smooth pout. Not only does it boast biocellular sheet mask technology which makes it perfect fit for your lips, but it's infused with deeply nourishing coconut juice. Apply to your lips 15 minutes, peel off, and then massage in the excess serum. What I like to do with these is I actually like to use my jade roller. And yes, there is that one. What's it say to do? Yeah, so you just clean your lips, pop it on, wait 15, pull off. Nice start. Right, next one is Fig and Rogue. And it is a skin perfecting glow elixir. Ooh, not that I need glowy skin in my oily ass mess, but oh, that's really pretty colour. So there's that. So let's read about it and then I will pop a little bit on my hand because I do actually already have full face of makeup on today. So this is full size and it's £35. Oh wow. How big is it? It's vegan and cruelty free as well and it's 30ml, so 1 fluid ounce. So it says here, Wonder Love Charm Glow Elixir. Love begins right here in the UK, so we're introducing a newly launched elixir from British brand Fig and Rogue. Formulated with hydrating, hydrochloric acid and vitamin A, C and E, as well as minerals, rose water and rose quartz. I love rose quartz. One of these days I will show you my altar and I've just covered in rose quartz. And where we have got side drops of crystals. It nourishes your skin and enhances its radiance. Massage 3 to 6 drops directly onto cleansed skin for a glow. So, ooh, I was a bit about it, but no actually. So that's what it looks like. It's got like a little dropper. Oh wow. Right, so I'm just going to put one drop on my hand. Oh, it's quite thick actually. It's thicker consistency than I thought. So it is there. It's not really dripping down. That's a little goes a long way. So it does give a really nice subtle glow. So my lighting is natural lighting from the mirror window just there. So it's very subtle. Actually, that's going to be quite good for me. Just trying to look, you can't really see it too much. Well, I can put on my fingers there compared to nothing. Oh, there we go. You can see it better now. That is nice. I'm actually looking forward to doing that. I thought it might be a bit too glowing, a bit too... But I'm going to give that a go tomorrow when I do my makeup. That is nice. Okay, so that's number 2, and that is a good... I'm liking this so far. Right, what have we got here? Oh, okay, so this is You Smell Good. It's a little sample. Is it in... Okay, it's not showing on here, so this is just like a little extra added thing. It's a perfume. Glossier You. Creamy, sparkly, clean and warm. Glossier You adapts to your unique skin chemistry. It's got musk, earthy iris root and spicy pink pepper. Ooh, so this isn't in here at all. It must be connected to that voucher. So let's give this an open up. I do like getting perfume samples. So you get a nice little perfume sample there. And I'm just going to spray it on. Okay, that doesn't smell. Spray it onto my arm just so I can kind of get a bit of a... Oh, it's a bit strong right now. I can't really see because I've sprayed like up here, but... Not sure what I think of that. It's very subtle. Very subtle. I can definitely smell like earthy tones in it. If that's going to be very earthy based, I'm going to enjoy that. So yes, I said you get 10% off, which I will put down below, and I guess that's what that's connected to. So that's like an added extra. So we've got a lip brush. Ooh. So this is RP of £5.50, and it is the Glossybox own brand. It says, and where are we? Give you a taste of glossy love. We're treating you to our favourite lip brush, boasting a gorgeous glossy pink handle, as well as soft, dense packed bristles. Help you forcefully apply your lipstick. Sweep over your lippy to collect cream formula, and then just, yeah. Okay, so, can I get him out? Ah, yeah. So there is what the brush looks like. Get your thickness there. Looks really good. It's quite dense, which is nice. I don't like it when they're too soft. I think I would have a lip brush in my collection though, but I'm going to keep this as a spare. Because they do get nasty after a while. Right, and then we got this St. Luke's Lip Liner Duo. Now, I did know about this one. I knew about this set because even though I tried to keep away from all sneak peeks, Glossybox Facebook page got me. They got me. So this is full size and it's £23. It's lip liners. It's a 2-pack of lip liners. And let's get them open. Let's have a look. Ooh, I see one colour that I really like. Okay, so we got 2 set there. This looks very red on the camera, but it's like quite deep. Oh, there you can kind of see the better. It's quite deep. When I do that, it goes quite pinky. And then we've got a gorgeous, gorgeous pink here. Now, I don't really use lip liners, so I'm not going to test them because I'm not sure if I'm going to use them or not. I don't like wasting. So this lighter pink one is called Cupid, sorry. So this one's called Cupid. That's a nice pink. I might use that one. But this one I'm not sure. This one's called Crush. Because what I tend to do with lip liners is I tend to just use them as lipsticks. So I'm not sure. So I'm not going to open them up and swatch them. I might swatch them on Instagram though. I will put my Instagram handle, name, whatever it is, down below. And if I do decide to try these, I will pop pictures up on Instagram. So let's just read about these then. So it says full size. It says these lip pencils will be love at first pout. Receive 2 stunning shades, both of which glide effortlessly onto lips to deliver some serious colour. You can create a natural look by tracing your natural lip line before applying lip gloss or lipstick and enhance your pout over... Oh, what's this? Or enhance your pout by overlining your lips, blending it and then applying lipstick. I said I don't tend to use lip liners yet. I don't really need them. But I might use these as a lipstick. But it says 2 lip liners for 23 quid. I think that's really, really good. Then the last thing in here is a lip gloss from Floss Beauty. Okay, I've never heard of this brand. I'm not a big lip gloss fan. It depends on the lip gloss. I have 1 or 2 that I do like. It depends on how sticky. Ooh, okay, that's a really nice shade. I was expecting that to be red because it shows in the picture a red one. That is a nice shade. That will go really, really nicely with this lip liner. Yeah, that'll go really, really nicely. The lip liner looks a bit darker right now, but it is almost, when I'm looking at it here, almost identical. Maybe half a shade, half a shade darker. So that's going to go really, really nicely. So I might be opening up one of those. But this, it says 80H is the shade, I'm guessing. It just says, my new favourite lip gloss. It's from Floss. So let's read about it and then I will have a swatch on my hand. This American beauty brand is helping to show you your palette some love. This very boosting, smooth, hydrating, long-lasting formula, their lip gloss is sure to become your new favourite. Use along with a delicate tint of colour, the semi-sheer finish, wear it all over a similar shade of lipstick to add shine. Okay, so it's not really in your face, which is nice. I do like that. So let's have a look. Okay, so that's the doe foot on it. Nice little basic one. Nice and small, which I like to see because I do have a small mouth. And... oh, that is the... oh. Oh, that smells good. I can't pinpoint that scent. But that smells like a chocolatey scent. But there's that. So it's not actually that sheer like they said it was. It's quite... that's me trying to sheer it out as much as I can. And it's still quite... see if I can sheer it out anymore. They said it was sheer. But to me, that's... there you go. Just get out of the light. It's there. So that was that same swipe. But I'm really having to do a lot to really sheer it out. So maybe it's not as sheer as they think. I mean, like I said, I'm pale anyway. So it probably looks really dark on me. It's looking patchy now. What I'm going to do is, I don't know where my makeup is. I'm going to pop a bit of it on my lips, I think. Using my foundation as a mirror. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on my lips. I'm using the lipstick pencil that I got in my Birchbox. So no, see, that is definitely putting on colour. I wouldn't say that's sheer at all. But, see, oh, the sun's gone in now. I can pop this on. Actually no, I don't need to second it. It definitely not sticky. That is a good thing. I know I put it on the bottom and then snap my lips together, but there's no stick to that. That is nice. I do love Glossybox. Glossybox has got me one of my favourites. I said, I don't know if I told you, the RP of this is £12.30. You can get it from flossitup.com. So it is an American beauty brand as well. But that is nice. And it's 15 grams of product in there as well. So, well done, Glossybox. I loved this box. Absolutely loved this box. So we've got, in this box, then we got the floss lip gloss. We got the, what was it, the Glow Elixir, the 2 lip liners, which I probably will end up using at least one of these. We've got the little extra freebie sample there, which I'm going to pop just there, which it's on my arm. Can't really smell it on me anymore, but it could be because you have to physically put it on your skin. And then we got the lip brush, which, oh, running out of fingers. And then we got the Dream Kiss lip mask there as well. So that's everything that we got. That is a lot of stuff. And yeah, wow. I think Glossybox won this month. Most definitely won this month. I said then you also did get the little 10% off coupon, which I will, if I don't do it, comment below and ask for it. Because I do say things and then forget. But there's that. And then let's see if we've got a sneak peek, because this video's run on a bit today. So sneak peek for March. That next month, all eyes will be on you. I will provide you with the makeup and skincare you need to create eye-catching looks. First up, the Ico Black Magic Mascara. Boosting in a carbon black formula, a curve brush, this mascara lifts, curls and adds volume to your lashes. Ooh, good. I need a new mascara. So I'm sorry it's backwards again. I'm not very good when it's the other way around. So there is that there. So I don't think I've ever tried it before. But I'm excited to because my mascara has been open 2 days and already feels minging. I will possibly be doing, I'm not going to say the brand or anything, but I am possibly thinking about doing a video because I did buy some of their skincare. And I might do the video and put the mascara in it as well. Haven't decided yet. But guys, this video has almost gone on 15 minutes now, which is a bloody long time for me. So I'm going to go and let you get on with your day. If you did enjoy this video and you do enjoy my content, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Subscribe really helps me and I do really appreciate it. My husband does get annoyed, which is great. When I see a little email notification saying I have a subscriber, I get the most excited I've ever get. Which is sad, I know, but I do like growing my little community on here. So thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Bye!